Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super easy, natural, heatless, glueless ponytail. Super easy. I promise you're going to get it right on the first try. You have no choice. Just stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get this hair together. I'm still in love. Okay, let's get started. Today I have my hair freshly washed. It is in this Chuck E. Cheese towel, and if you didn't know, yes baby, I used to work at Chuck E. Cheese, and I'm gonna let you know firsthand, we did not use half the pizza and then give it to you. Like they were saying that we was giving y'all old pizzas. I promise we didn't give y'all old pizzas because we was eating the pizzas back there, and that's word from me. Anyway, I'm about to use this spray bottle. I love this spray bottle. This spray bottle's from Sally's. It was like $10, but it like continuously mists. I also did a little length check. It's been about a year since I've cut my, not about a year, it's been a year since I've cut my hair off. It's growing okay. You know, I need to take better care of my hair in general. As you can see, I'm using only one product on my hair because I don't give a fuck about my hair. That's terrible, but I really don't. Like, it's just gonna go under a wig anyway. But I wanted to put something on it for the sake of this video. So that was the Texture ID styling cream. I really like it. And then today I'm using Klaiyi. That brand. I'll be in the description box. I'm using 2 bundles of 24 and 26, and they were so full. I had washed them and just added some conditioner, so that's why they were wet looking. Wash them straight in the bundle like that. And then now I'm gonna use my fake ass dimming brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing my hair into a ponytail. Or these are the steps I take into getting a ponytail. So I do 3 steps. I do the dimming brush, and then I do a comb, and then I do a dirty ass brush. It's the process that gets me my ponytails. Always super nice. Promise you're gonna love it if you implement it into your routine. So I would like to say my hair is a lot thinner when it is dry. I mean, not dry, when it's wet compared to when it's dry. So it's very easy to just go ahead and just brush on through. And then I'm going to use my wet line, and I'm just going to use a lot of it. As you can see, I'm using a big old glop, and you know what? That's just what I do, and that just is what it is. Like, I use that big old glop for the whole head, so don't you worry if the whole glop did get stretched out. And then I'm going to use my fake ass dimming brush again and just brush through that and make sure everything is like really detangled. Yep. So then I go ahead and use my comb and just make sure every like knot and stuff is all flat, and all my hair can go to the ponytail, because that way my hair will be flatter. And then I'm going to use my dirty ass brush. And if you've been on my channel for a second, you know that I'm pro dirty ass brushes. I just have this theory that they work better when they're dirty. That when they're clean and flimsy, they don't really do what they need to do. So like, I don't know, dirty up your brush and see if I'm right, and then come join the dirty brush squad. Like, it's that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove some of my baby hairs / adult hairs. Don't judge me. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them in advance so I don't have to tamper with the ponytail. And I like to do my edges before I do my ponytail while my hair is wet, because I feel it's more malleable that way. And I'm just making sure I have a lot out. I mean, I might not even use all the edges I take out, but I just want to have enough so I don't have to worry about my hair hardening into place. After that, I'm going to go ahead and smooth the remainder of the hair so I can get my ponytail together, and then go ahead and secure it into a ponytail. I wanted it to be like not a high ponytail, but also not in the middle of my head, just like in between the two, if that makes sense. So then I had this bright ass idea that I could use some old track hair and try to braid it into my hair, but baby, I'm not skilled like that, and I don't know why I thought I was, but it just didn't work. And you know, if you have some braiding hair and you're bald headed like me, I'd recommend you do that. But if you don't, just go ahead and stick to the rivers and lakes that you're used to, and go ahead and braid that bad boy up like I did. I thought I was innovative. I'm not. So it's okay to go ahead and braid up your own hair and then secure the ends of that with the rubber band. Today for my edges, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot. I would be using my Thank Me Later gel by Oh Yes Virgin Hair. I would totally recommend that, but she is currently on a hiatus right now. So whenever my baby get back, I'm buying out the stock. Promise. best edge gel ever, but this will do for now. And then I'm going to use my edge brush and just go ahead and get my baby hairs into place. So I saw my girl China Rice do this with her sideburns, and I was like, wow, my middle baby hairs are just too fucking long. So yes, I cut them. And yes, they're my edges, and yes, I'm gonna be okay with a little short edge right there. It's gonna be just fine, and it looks so good after I did it. I have no regrets. I went ahead and put this clip in slow motion so that you could see that I'm using the looped end. I'm going to use the bundle in the half, and then I put a bobby pin through the looped end, and then put the bobby pin through the rubber band that I put on the end of my hair. At this point, I'm just going to start wrapping it around the little braid I got, my little baby bitch braid. I'm going to start wrapping it around it, and then just continue that process. This is super easy. It's going to go by really fast. Even the clip of me doing it didn't even last longer than 10 minutes, so it's going to be super easy. Just keep wrapping it. And then I'm going to go ahead, after I finish that bundle, I'm a little early on this, but I wanted to go ahead and say it. After I'm done wrapping around that bundle, I'll go ahead and bobby pin the other bundle onto it, and it's the same process. Just keep wrapping it around until you run out of hair. And then now I'll just take the time to apologize for my camera cutting off me doing this. I didn't look up to see that my camera had stopped recording me wrapping around the little top part where you like make sure your tracks ain't showing. I'm sorry, baby. I really wish I could have got that in there for you, but it ain't there. So, you know, I feel like you're a smart person. You can figure it out. I got you. I believe in you. You can do it. Just use a spray and a brush and you'll be good to go. So here's the final project, and just thank you so much for watching. And I'm really sorry I couldn't include that clip. And I hope you love me anyway. See you in my next video.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.
I'm so in love.